and then I laughed at all his words. I thought he was a bitter man. He spoke of women's ways. They trap you and they use you before you even know. For love is blind and you're far too kind. Don't ever let it show. I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger. Hi, I'm Vasco and today I'm going to show you how I'm playing Ooh La La by The Faces on the ukulele, high G string uke in the original key. Grab your uke and let's see how to play this one. Alright, so for the most part we are just repeating two chords in the whole song. The chord of D and the chord of E minor. Okay. If you want to strum them, you should accent more on the second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So the strong down is on the second time. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger. So on the first beat, I'm just doing a gentle up and then the strong down and then up, down, up. At least this is what I'm doing. But also there is one little riff that I'm coming a little bit closer now to show you. Okay, so we start with the chord of D. I'm grabbing it like this. Maybe for you it will be easier like this, but try it with one finger because it will open the door for some more action with the other fingers. And the melody is on the A string first. A, A, and then this is what I'm doing. I'm playing the A string open, then I'm barring to play on the second fret, then releasing it. E string, C string to E minor. And here, look, the E minor, I'm grabbing it with the pointing finger here. So when I release the middle finger, I'm still holding it here on the second fret. Okay? C string, 4th fret, C string, 2nd fret, right? So. If you're one of my subscribers, you have access to the interactive tab for this thing where you can slow down the tempo, look at it on the screen in front of you and play with it. I believe that this is the fastest way to learn anything that requires a little bit of finger style. So follow the link in the description to get access to this. And also there is the solo for which we are playing a little bit quicker, D to G. So here we are introducing the chord of G. And then when we get back, and that sums up my tutorial for Ooh La La. Thank you very much for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.